Break out of your box. Above all, delivers executive presence. I'm going to transform the way your executives present themselves and enter a room and take over a room with their personal power. And that cannot happen in a conference room. Executive presence can only be built by experience, by changing the identity of the executive in their own mind's eye. That's what this is, a 72-hour identity transformation to transform a small thinking manager into somebody who thinks that they can rule the world. It takes McKinsey 6 months to a year to deliver some facsimile of that. I don't know if you get that from Harvard Advanced Management, but I deliver that in 72 hours. And when you get your executives back from Clint, they're going to come back bigger, more powerful, thinking like executives who can lead your company. Your succession bench is going to be deeper, and your executives are going to have the vision of themselves that's going to take your company to where you want to go.